Minimalism is more than just a design choice. It's a philosophy that celebrates simplicity, elegance, and functionality. A modern minimalist luxury home embodies the perfect harmony between refined aesthetics and purposeful living. It strips away excess and focuses on clean lines, open spaces, and high-end materials, creating an atmosphere of serenity and sophistication. In this video, we explore the essence of a modern minimalist luxury home, where every detail is meticulously curated to reflect a timeless masterpiece of elegance. Luxury and minimalism is not about grandeur. It's about achieving the highest quality with the fewest elements. The concept of less is more shines through in every aspect of design. Whether it's the selection of natural textures, the placement of bespoke furniture, or the strategic use of lighting. This home is designed to exude understated opulence, where each material, from polished concrete to warm wood, tells a story of refinement. The absence of clutter enhances spatial awareness, allowing homeowners to experience tranquility in a setting that is both modern and inviting. A minimalist luxury home is a study in architectural balance, where straight lines meet subtle curves and bold structural elements are softened by organic textures. Floor-to-ceiling windows allow natural light to flow seamlessly, blurring the boundaries between indoor and outdoor spaces. The facade is intentionally restrained, using neutral tones and raw materials that emphasize the home's sculptural form. This is not just a house, it is a statement of sophistication, where the power of simplicity speaks louder than ornamentation. The heart of a minimalist luxury home is its open concept layout, designed to create a fluid connection between living, dining, and kitchen areas. Wide, uncluttered spaces foster a sense of freedom, making movement effortless and interaction more natural. In this design, walls are replaced by glass partitions, and furniture is carefully selected to maintain a sleek, airy atmosphere. The result? A home that feels expansive yet intimate, where every inch serves a purpose without compromising on comfort or style. plays a crucial role in achieving a timeless, minimalist aesthetic. A soft, neutral palette, ranging from warm whites to muted grays, forms the foundation of this home's visual identity. These tones act as a canvas, allowing the natural beauty of materials like stone, wood, and metal to take center stage. The contrast of matte and glossy surfaces creates depth, while handcrafted details add a personal touch. This careful blend of earthy elegance ensures that the home remains inviting, comfortable, and effortlessly luxurious. In a minimalist luxury home, lighting is more than just illumination. It's an art form that enhances the architectural experience. A combination of ambient, task, and accent lighting is used to highlight textures, define spaces, and set the mood. Recessed lighting casts a soft glow, pen and fixtures add sculptural beauty, and indirect lighting creates a warm, welcoming ambience. The interplay of light and shadow transforms the home throughout the day, making it feel dynamic and ever-evolving, yet always in perfect harmony with its surroundings. Minimalist luxury doesn't mean sacrificing comfort. It means curating pieces that serve both form and function. In this home, every piece of furniture is carefully selected to contribute to a sense of effortless sophistication. Custom-built furnishings blend seamlessly into the architecture with hidden storage solutions that maintain the home's sleek aesthetic. Plush yet structured seating, sculptural tables, and handcrafted cabinetry create a balance of comfort and refinement. The absence of unnecessary decoration allows the quality of materials to shine, proving that true luxury is in the details. A hallmark of modern, minimalist luxury homes is the seamless integration of indoor and outdoor spaces. Large glass doors slide open effortlessly, extending the living areas into private courtyards, terraces, and landscape gardens. The architecture encourages a lifestyle that embraces nature, whether through a tranquil Zen garden, a minimalist water feature, or a carefully placed tree that becomes part of the home's design. This connection with nature enhances well-being, relaxation, and a sense of openness, making the home feel like a sanctuary away from the chaos of the outside world. kitchen is more than just a cooking space. It's a statement of modern living. In a minimalist luxury home, it is designed with clean lines, premium materials, and intuitive functionality. Sleek cabinetry without visible hardware, marble or quartz countertops, and high-end appliances are all meticulously arranged to maintain a streamlined look. An expansive island serves as both a functional workspace and an elegant gathering spot. The beauty of this kitchen lies in its effortless sophistication, where every element is purposeful and aesthetically pleasing. Luxury is about experiences, and nowhere is this more evident than in a minimalist spa-inspired bathroom. A freestanding soaking tub, rain shower, and natural stone finishes create an atmosphere of indulgence and relaxation. Soft, diffused lighting and carefully chosen textures, like warm wood accents and sleek matte tiles, enhance the sense of tranquility. With clutter-free surfaces and hidden storage solutions, the bathroom becomes a true retreat, offering a daily escape into serenity. The bedroom is a place of restoration and relaxation, designed with a calming palette and uncluttered layout. Floor-to-ceiling windows invite natural light, while soft textiles and carefully curated decor create a sense of warmth. A statement headboard or minimalist artwork adds character without overpowering the space. The absence of excessive ornamentation fosters a peaceful, distraction-free environment, ensuring that every night's sleep feels like a retreat into luxury. While the design of this home appears simple, it is embedded with cutting-edge, smart home technology that enhances convenience and efficiency. From automated lighting and climate control to voice-activated systems and discrete security features, every aspect of modern living is seamlessly integrated. The key to luxury minimalism is keeping technology invisible yet highly functional, allowing the home to adapt to its owner's needs without disrupting the elegance of the design. A modern minimalist luxury home is more than just a space, it is an experience, a testament to timeless design and thoughtful living. By embracing simplicity, natural elements, and innovative craftsmanship, this home stands as a masterpiece of elegance, destined to remain beautiful for generations to come. In a world filled with distractions, true luxury lies in clarity, balance, and the seamless fusion of form and function. This is not just a home, it is a work of art.